Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chris's garden and allotment journey. Well, I'm still at home, can't get to not got the allotment at the moment. I've got too many other things to do. I've got loads to do. If you want to follow me on any more of these, please press the subscribe and like button. It'd be most appreciated. I'll show you what my motivation is to get this done. I've got to get the greenhouse up in the garden because, as you're going to see in a minute, I'll show you, because there's literally loads of tomatoes, peppers to go in, and I've got no space. And if I don't do something with this lot now, they're all gonna die. Can't be having that. So let me show you. Okay, give me 2 seconds. As you can see, this is my kitchen windowsill, by the way. I've got all these tomatoes here. Well, basically they're all ready to go out, get potted on and put somewhere safe. Obviously, with the weather being as it is at the moment, I can hardly put them outside. Also, I got all of these other variations of tomatoes, which I'll run through with you later, to get potted on. Where am I going to put them? God knows. I have to go over to the other side over here. We have those tomatoes which I'm going to have to give away. They're absolutely ridiculous. That's over the top. I've already got plenty of them anyway. But here we have all the sweet peppers as well, and they're coming along great. But again, I need somewhere to put them before they get too large. And I've got loads more other things to sow as well. So I must get this lot sorted. Okay, follow me and I'll show you what's going on in the garden. Well, as you can see, I'm still burning. Let's get a bit closer. Yeah, it's smouldering away. It will catch a hold again in a minute. Okay, this is my garden, and I've got 4 pots of potatoes there, and I forgot what's in them pots, but never mind. But here is my project. Since I can't get into the allotment, I want to be putting this lot in. Putting this lot in. I want to build the greenhouse. There's the rest of the framework. That's just the base, give me an idea of some size, what size it is. Over here we have the glass. But first of all, I've got to level this ground. I've got to clear it first. Get rid of all this. So I've decided this is going to be my project until I get access to my allotment, which is a problem. There's the shed, which I've got to paint and repair the roof on. So that's another part of the project I'll be getting on with. And all this fence needs all of that pulling out and repainting. I've got a nice bed here with flowers and things coming up, which I don't know. So let's have a look. Are these too late to put out, or should I leave them until next season, or should I take them out and move them now? They're lovely. Look at these. Those lovely bluebell type things. I'm not sure what it is. Nettles, obviously. That's an old olive tree. Come up here. Fence, look at the bit of disrepair and neglect. I think if I paint that, it might be okay. clear up all of this. And I've put 3 trees, I think 2 of them are dead now. Here we have my strawberry buckets. There's the one. I only put a couple in there, and I put some in there. I probably should have shared them out a bit better. Anyway, this is it. Also, as this side of the fence, all which need painting or replacing. Coming down here, I'm not sure if the fire's gone out. I've got this wood which I should use. It's old cardboard, and I've really got to secure the shed in a better way. Anyway, it's a lovely day today. I'll just show you these, all coming up nicely and in blue there. Yeah, come around here. Yeah. Whoop, there you go. You can see that garlic's doing fine. So we've got these trees to sort. There's a few herbs which I'm not doing very much at the moment, unfortunately. Over here we have the strawberries coming up, which is good. And over here is where the greenhouse is going, if you can see that. You can see that because of this bright sunlight. Let's walk down and get in some shade. I get a better view. The shed, obviously, I've got to sorting a bit more of that out. And if you look here, that's where the greenhouse is going to go. But I've got a lot of ground to prepare now, hence the rotavator, to get all this ground prepared and levelled off, get the base in, and then hopefully I'll get the greenhouse up. I'll show you my progress as we go on through the day. Right, I'm sorry I've got my posh face on the day, like, it's a bit ridiculous. Anyway, that's where we're up to. I'm not going to say anything about the allotment in a minute. I'll show you that next time I get down there, which could probably be either tomorrow or later on in the week, because I've got things to do down there as well. But this is the priority. I've got to get this done. And it's them tomatoes and peppers that have motivated me, shall we say, to get things done. Oh look, visitors. Oh, he's gone. Oh, there it is. You can see that. Oh, there he goes. Pardon. And let's get some motivation with some rotovation. Let's go. I'll see if I can do this in Superman mode. Keep watching. Well, I'll just start on the greenhouse base. See a little bit of progress. Obviously, this needs levelling and fixing down. But I can do that. I've started to build up the base. I need to tighten that, level that, get it all perfectly level, and then we can start building it. You can see a lot of grass there, all for the compost bin. Might actually put in this fresh shit under there, make a bit of a path all the way around it. Either slab it or wood chip it. Keep the annoying little beasties out. But we'll see once I've got the base in and see what I'll do about that. And then I'm just going to build the framework up and get the glass in. And hopefully we can get some use out of it. It's a lovely day today. Anyway, that's it so far. Just giving you a heads up on how things are going. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're enjoying this content and want to keep up with my progress. But this is the garden, not the allotment. But since I can't get in the allotment, I'll do this garden. I mean, I've had some motivational rotovating. And you've got to keep going. Hi everyone, I'm not sure quite where to look at the moment. Do I look that way? Not that way. It's possibly this way. Maybe I should just look straight ahead. I don't know. Anyway, I've been in the garden today, as you know. Whoop, hang on, altering. As you know, so I'm trying to produce a video. Anyway, I'll show you the progress I've made today. If I can turn this around, let's work out how to do this. Maybe I'll have to stop the camera and turn these around. There it is. I don't know where the hell is the camera? Let me put the finger up. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at the time. And I can see where you're so. Okay, everybody. I'm gonna show you basically what I've done today. I'm gonna get out tomorrow and I'm gonna put up a lot more another video. This is gonna be out for a few days. This I need to take a bath and shower. Oh, one or the other. Whatever. Let me turn this around and show you how much I've got to do tomorrow. I know I showed you the bed earlier on, but believe me, the actual bed needs a hell of a lot more leveling than I would have thought it did. I'm now going to show you what we've done. Obviously, it's not a growing bed, that's the greenhouse base. But if you look at the front, we put a couple of slabs in, and then we go here and look at the back, and we have a massive gap. So the plan for tomorrow is to I'm walking over this. See all of this here, don't worry about this. This is what I've dragged away from that area. That's all going into compost. But if you look there, the back end, which is about, hold on, see if you can see me. I don't know where the bloody camera is. Oh, it's over the back end anyway, towards the house. Yeah, he's digging out and putting it at this end, because at this end, I could limbo dance underneath that. Anyway, that's enough of the garden for today. I will continue with it tomorrow and show you some more progress. Okay, catch you in a bit. Okay everyone, hi there again. I'm back. As you know, I've been busy today, as you can see from the video. Now I've had enough. I mean, it's what, beautiful day today, beautiful day today. Got a lot done. Tried to get the greenhouse base in, but had to rotovate the land 4 times, believe it or not. 4? That's unreal. 4 times. Anyway, I've got to do some more. I've got some digging to do tomorrow to level it, because between one side of the greenhouse and the other side of the greenhouse, there's about that much difference. So now I've got to dig a trench around to make sure it's perfectly level before I can get it finished. But on the bright side, once it's done, and I'm on a mission to get it done because of all the plants I've got to get into a greenhouse, because they're all around the bloody house, excuse the language. It'll get done. It will get done. I'm sorry about the television in the background. Should I switch it off? Yeah, I think I will. Bye, telly. Yeah. I have got to get that done. Then I've got to get, I'm planning the garden in the pros at the moment, because I can't get the allotment. I'm going to pop down the allotment in the morning, early o'clock, to see if I can actually get in. And if I can't, I'll be doing some down there as well, so I can catch us up on there. Trust me, that's a bigger mission than building a bloody greenhouse, but we can do it, and I'm sure. I'd like to thank all my new subscribers, by the way. Thank you very much. Lovely to see you here. If you want to keep watching my progress, shall we say, successes, fails, whinges, and happiness, then please subscribe. Press the button down there somewhere, and give us a like. It's one of them. I think it's a thumbs up, they call it. Yeah, but yeah, one of them. Or, either way, give us one of them. Happy days. At least you've had the courtesy to come along and have a look at my video, whether you like it or not. If you don't, if you do, yeah. Okay. It's great to catch up with everybody. I'll be continuing this. I've got set myself a mission. I'm going to do this greenhouse in the next 10 days. This was day 1 in here, right? Between here and the allotment, I should have done this ages ago, but between here and the allotment, I have got to do a lot. Motivation was to get them 1,000,001 tomatoes, sweet peppers. I've got the what are they called? Oh, cucumbers to put in, which I'm hoping to start off now or shortly. Come on, it's April. I've got hundreds of things to put in. I've got a huge plot down the road, which I've got to get really on a mission on, but my house cannot handle what's there, and my garden out there, which you've seen earlier, can't handle what I've got to put in. I have got loads to keep you lot interested. Please tell me if I'm doing something wrong. Please help me, because this is only my first year having the allotment. My anniversary was the 1st of January, February, March. I've just had the bill for it and paid it for this new year. If I get on it, I might have words with them saying, well, hang on, restricted access, I want a reduction, but never mind. It is huge. Now we'll show you some more of that. I might do a video on some more of that tomorrow. We're going to get a couple more videos in the next couple of weeks. In fact, over the next few months. I want to keep this involved with me and what I'm doing and how I'm doing it and when to do it. I'm not going to give you advice. I'm just going to do it. And I'd love you all to get involved. Tell me if you think I'm doing something wrong. Tell me if I'm doing something right. If I'm doing something wrong, I'll take it as constructive criticism. But I think this year is going to be a good year. And I'm excited about it. I really am excited about it. Anyway, like I said before, thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you to everybody that hasn't subscribed and still watches it. Love you to subscribe. Doesn't cost anything, it helps me out. Give me a thumbs up or give me a thumbs down. Please send me some advice. What are you doing in April? Please let me know in the comments. Oh, that's another one. If you're going to give me a thumbs down, tell me why. If you're going to give me a thumbs up, thank you. Anyway, that's me for this one. I'll see you on the next one. Take care, everybody, and happy gardening. It's going to be a great year. Bye for now.